Whilst it is important to have technical skills to perform, it is also equally important to maintain your mental health and don't forget to have a bit of fun. For me, it is building Lego, and I managed to swoop up Optimus Prime at the Pictionary event. Not too long ago, it was the Lunar New Year, and so I wish you a very prosper and memorable year ahead. And I hope you will continue to chase your dreams and smash them goals out of the park. That is all for now, and I'll see you on the next video.
Fearless.